In this video, we're going to talk about how to share your Noodle Tools project with another student or a group of students. In many cases, your teacher may be asking you to work on a project with another person or possibly in a group. When you have a situation like that, you can have it so that one person creates the Noodle Tools project and then shares it with the rest of the group. It's very simple to do, and we're going to go right into that now. So you first have to open the project that you'll be working on. If you haven't created it, obviously you'll have to create the project. Once you're in the project, on your dashboard page, you'll see the sharing and collaboration section. This part says student collaboration, and this is where you're going to add anyone that's going to be working on the project with you. So right here, you're going to click Add Students. Now remember, only one person in the group is creating the project initially. Once that project is created, then that one person will add the rest of the students. So when we click on Add Students here, you'll have the opportunity to put in the other student's ID. That's going to be the ID that they use to log into Noodle Tools, which should be their Google ID. So you add that. If you're done, if you're only adding one person, you're just going to click Done here. If you need to add additional students, you're going to click Add More, and you can continue to do this until all the students in your group are added. Also to the right, you'll see here it says Full Collaborator or Peer Reviewer. If the students are working on this project and you want them to have total access to it, where they can add resources, add note cards, work on the outline, you're going to keep them as Full Collaborator. If you just want them to be looking at your project or reviewing your project for some peer review, then you would click this one. Also, you also have the ability to remove students by just clicking the Remove button to the right of their name. Once you're done adding students, you click Done. Now what will happen is that you will the students that you just added will see that project pop up on their Noodle Tools project page. And once that happens, they'll be able to open that project, add resources, and do everything as if the project was created by them. So another important thing to remember is if you are adding a resource, only one student has to add a resource. So if you looked at a book and you want to add that, only one of the students has to add that, because as you add each of your resources, it will pop up on all of the accounts that are shared.